I just be feeding deers apples all the time. But I just noticed that one over there. He's eating the moss right off the rocks, man. He really liked that moss. I don't think I've ever seen him. I mean, he walked to like the top of the rock pile to get the moss. Look, I want to see if he's thinking about it big time. He's so thinking about it right now. He wants it. I threw out 2 of them, but this other one's a lot closer. Huh? You gonna do it? You're okay, baby doll. You enjoy the apple, okay? She's so cute. It's really a beautiful day out. It's raining. It's been a nice weekend. It's been healing, cooking, talking to the animals. I do hope everybody's blessed though, and I love you so much.